Hello YouTube, Marinol here once again with another video. Today we are going to open up a Bose Dual Cube. So these are the premium version of the cube I opened before in the What's Inside video. These ones are about 40% smaller. It's only 4 inches tall, like 2 inches wide, like about 3.5 deep. Very small cube, same type of principle, spools. Anyway, we need to get these covers off because we're going to open it up. First thing to get, this cool pink knife, because why not? And you just get underneath the grill, oh, swiggity, and it comes off like that, that one. It's the same with the other side of it, swiggity, swiggity, and there you go. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. People aren't doing that very much lately, and it makes me sad. So there we can see the drivers themselves. So they are 2-inch, give or take. Paper cone. They seem to treat them with something, as there is some colour. Anyway, to get to the screws, you have to take off these little bits here, because everything has to be a nuisance. And we're just going to get a screwdriver. Start unscrewing. If I feel good during the editing process, I might speed this up. If not, I'm going to sit here and talk. Okay, so the difference between the dual cubes and the standard cubes is actually these don't sound as good. They put out about the same level of volume, but they have a very big reduction in frequency response. Not so much in mid-range. Mid-range is fine with them. But I have found the higher region treble, say anything above 15 kilohertz is just gone. There's nothing left of it. It cuts off really, really quick. And the Adapt IQ does attempt to compensate for it, but it can't do it. Yeah, you can't beat physics. Alright, there we go. So the driver's in there still pretty solidly, so we've got to once again get the trusty pink. Trust pink, forget the stink. Demonetized. And here we go, there's the Bose driver itself. Doesn't really say very much, but I think there's a date code. So 06, 11th month, 2010. That could be less possible. And it was made at 5:16 PM. But there you go, so this is a different version. These have an aluminum voice coil, I don't know if you can see it, and a neodymium magnet. So they're a lot more sophisticated than your normal Bose driver. Now if we look in here, you can see this is so the port's over here, and it will actually spiral around like that and exit. No, the stuff's all deteriorated. That's not nice. I'll show you the entrance to the port. It's up there, if you can see it. So it goes around there, spirals around, and yeah, they call that some kind of waveguide. Or we call it a port, because we have to be different. Yeah, that's basically what it is. They don't sound too bad. A sound test will be coming up soon. And I've got some other special things coming up soon as well, because I've been messing around with BMR drivers. They're really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, and I shall see you next time.